The air here is alive, carrying whispers from the waterfall. The mist drifts like a gentle veil, revealing the forest's secrets. I feel me so small. The texture of this bark is incredible. Each groove tells a story of time. My fingers feel the moss and leaves. It's a quiet piet's ancient common strength. Look up. Feel the ancient wisdom in these towering giants. Breathe in the sunlight and let the whispering leaves here, in nature's embrace, find your true self. Feel the rhythm of the forest as you gather its gentle gifts. Let the soft snaps and shifting soil ground you in this moment. Everything is laid out, time to get started. These brackets go together, the ropes are next. Perfect. Now for the final checks. These straps need to be secure for the canopy. The friction shows it's holding firm. Almost there. This will support the weight. These bolts need to be perfectly secure for the sensors to work. The torque is building. Almost there. There, that should hold firm now. Up it goes, steady now. I can feel the tension building. Almost there, just a bit more. Perfect, it's settling in. Okay, sliding it laterally now, steady does it. Aligning with the bracket, almost there. Contact, settling the vibration now. Perfect, hands-on adjustment for the final lock-in. Okay, that's secure. Now for the strength test. Solid as a rock. Aligning these beams perpendicularly ensures the platform's stability. A gentle push here locks them together. These sawdust particles show the wood is settling in, a strong, balanced joint. The beam grid unfolds in geometric harmony. Her hands guide the wood into place. Wind whispers through the leaves, shadows deepen. Each alignment builds the structure higher. High above the forest floor, we build not just a platform, but a dream. Each beam secured, each connection made. In this harmony, nature and human spirit intertwine. The beams are holding up well. Steady now, shifting my weight. Looking down, the ground is far below. The joist spacing here needs to be precise for stability. A small adjustment here will keep everything aligned. The dust in the sunlight shows how the air moves through the structure. Securing this bracket now. The screw is tightening into the wood. Almost there, just a bit more. Perfect, solid and secure. In the heart of the forest, we build not just with wood and metal, but with vision and perseverance. Each joist secured brings us closer to the canopy of our dreams. Slowly lowering the panel into place, guiding the edges to meet the joists, aligning the grain as it slides down. The structure vibrates slightly as it settles. Sunlight shifts across the smooth wood, a gentle reminder of time's gentle flow. In harmony with the wind-stirred leaves, each screw binds with purpose. Okay, sliding the panel into position now, aligning the seam just a little more. There, it's settled with a nice firm fit. Perfect. Time to check the next one. Gently lowering the panel into place. A slight adjustment for a perfect fit. The edges meet seamlessly. Sunlight shimmers on the new surface. In the quiet rhythm of the forest, each turn of the screw builds more than a platform. It weaves a connection to the earth beneath. With steady hands, the work finds its harmony. Watch pass as particles float slowly sun as amending. Each pass musical smooths the surface refused enhancing the wood's natural beauty. The finish on this deck is incredibly smooth. You can feel the quality.
It's built to last. The elevation keeps it dry and blends with the landscape.
It's Perfect. Applying the right torque ensures these bolts hold firm. You can feel the vibration as it seats properly. This is key for a secure, lasting structure. Okay, here we go. Lift. It's heavier than I thought. Almost there. Hold steady.
The bubble is slightly off-center. I'll adjust the base. Just a small turn. There, it's centered. Now, checking the height. The post is stable.
The framework is sturdy. I'm checking the bolt alignment. Everything is secure. The platform feels solid. The joints on these beams feel very solid. No vibrations or movement. This platform is secure. A perfect spot to enjoy the forest. High in the forest, the glass panel rises, blending human touch with nature's embrace. The rope guides it upward, a gentle sway in the sunlit beams. This space opens up so beautifully to the nature around us. The smooth glide of the panel brings in the fresh air, such a gentle way to connect with the outdoors. Okay, this bolt is almost there. Just a little more tension. Perfect, that feels secure now. One more to go. Gently now, feel the balance as it rises. The ropes hold the weight steady and true. Almost there, a perfect lift into the light. This panel slides into place effortlessly, guided by the integrated track. The edge aligns perfectly for a seamless, weather-tight seal. And the canopy above offers natural shade, blending the design with the environment. I'm aligning this wooden frame into the glass structure. The precision is key to blending with the natural surroundings. The forest view from this height is breathtaking, harmonious blend of human touch and nature. These brackets secure the shelf firmly. Now, tightening the screws for stability. The natural light really highlights the wood. The soft textures and smooth wood and relaxation. Sunlight duris cruis frostisferas adds to the piece. A perfect harmony of comfort and nature. Just finding the right place for these. This panel slides so smoothly, and these cushions are perfectly snug. A peaceful spot. I'll guide these LED strips along the console's edge, bringing a warm glow to life. The light transforms the space, blending natural daylight with a cozy, modern warmth. Edges aligned with the floor. Perfect. Now for the walls. These joints need to be secure for the frame. There, that feels tight enough. Next screw, same steady pressure. Let's slide this countertop into its final position, guiding the edges carefully for a perfect fit. A satisfying click as it locks in place. The perfect blend of modern design and nature. All right, let's place the kettle right here. Now, I'll carefully align the cooktop. Perfect. Everything feels just right. Securing this LED strip under the cabinets. Now, let's turn it on. Look at that warm, cozy glow. It completely transforms the space. Aligning the table with the floor and cabinetry. A gentle adjustment brings harmony to the space. Drifting light and leaf shadows invite a moment of peace. Aligning the edges just right. A gentle sway as it settles. The sunlight dances on the wood. Let's make this space feel just right. A little adjustment here for comfort. Now it's perfect, ready for the day. Aligning the base to the floor, carefully positioning the platform. Now, aligning the edges precisely, securing the frame, observing the natural reflections. Smoothing the bedding, each motion a gentle wave of calm. The sunlight and shadows dance slowly, inviting peace. A soft touch to the pillows, completing the haven. And the leaves outside extends gentle drifting shadows. The soft rustle of the fabric is calming, a quiet ritual welcoming the day. A moment of peace and natural beauty. The natural light shifts, like graphing of light, mirroring harmony between our actions and the world outside. A simple moment of peace. The warm interior lights create serene lakes, if the one same laying the incredible textures. Drifting shadows from the canopy outside add to the peaceful rhythm of this space. Welcome to this peaceful treehouse, where the forest whispers through the glass. Feel the wood's texture and look up and let the light and shadows bring a sense of floating serenity. The fresh air out here is so invigorating, marking the railings for some upgrades. The gentle sway feels so natural. Just look at that canopy above. The railing installation is underway. These posts provide the main structural support. The brackets must be perfectly aligned before we secure them. Fastening these screws ensures a secure, long-lasting connection. From up here, the forest unfolds like a living tapestry. Securing each bar strengthens our place in this serene world. Suspended between earth and sky, we find true balance. Suspended in the treetops, this cabin offers a peaceful retreat. Feel the gentle breeze and the quiet of the forest, a place where nature and comfort embrace. Okay, starting from the edge, extending the tape to the first point, marking this spot right here. Now for the next interval. Perfect, all marked. Okay, sliding the panel into its final position now, guiding the edges to align perfectly with the frame. Securing it in place, it should be stable now. A perfect fit for sustainable power. Just guiding this solar panel into place on the glass roof. The edges need careful alignment for a perfect fit. There, secured. Now for the wiring. The forest provides the perfect setting for this. Okay, securing this bracket now. Lifting to check the alignment. Looks good. Setting it down. Just connecting the wires now, making sure it's all secure. Aligning the panel for maximum sunlight capture. Final checks complete. It's ready to power up. Welcome to my treehouse escape, where the forest whispers secrets. The view from here is breathtaking, isn't it? It's the perfect blend of innovation and nature's tranquility. The soft wood under my feet, the gentle touch of the railing. Sunlight and shadows play across the deck, mirroring the quiet rhythm within. Arranging the pillows brings a sense of order and peace. The light dances on the wood, highlighting the craftsmanship, a serene sanctuary in the trees. These solar panels are integrated right into the deck, generating clean energy. This design powers the treehouse while preserving the natural surroundings. The panels are also a key part of the structural design, adding to its stability. It's a perfect blend of technology and nature. Standing here, I feel a deep sense of calm and completion. This elevated perspective, surrounded by ancient trees, is truly transformative. The harmony of nature and design is inspiring. This deck is my sanctuary, blending with the ancient trees. The gentle sway, the polished wood, it all feels so alive. Here, every moment is a quiet embrace with nature. This cabin's design invites you to touch and feel the materials. The sunlight and shadows create a living, breathing space. It's a perfect blend of modern comfort and natural beauty.
The panels are clean, with no visible obstructions. The connections are secure, and the cells are intact. Efficiency looks optimal.
Welcome to my treehouse cabin. The glass walls let the forest envelop you. The deck sways gently, suspended among the giants. Inside, it's all natural light and serenity. The glass feels cool, a perfect barrier between me and the forest. I can see the reflection of the trees and the cabin interior. The light drifts through the canopy, shadows dancing gently. Perched among giants, this cabin invites tranquility. A gentle step forward, embracing the forest's embrace. Here, every reflection whispers a sanctuary where nature and design unite. Nestled in the forest, this cabin invites calm. Adjusting the cushions, finding comfort in simple acts. The gentle rhythm of nature and home, a space for mindful tranquility. Standing here, surrounded by ancient trees, a profound peace washes over me. The gentle breeze and dappled light invite me to breathe deeply. In this moment, I feel truly connected to the living world around me. The gentle rhythm of footsteps on wood, the soft slide of hand on metal, these sounds invite a moment of calm. Let the drifting shadows and soft ambient sounds guide you to a place of peace. Let your hands explore the natural textures around you. Feel the grain of the wood, the softness of the fabric. Look up and see the forest through the glass. The morning light through these trees is just magical. I love the feel of the wood, so smooth. It brings such a peaceful warmth inside. Welcome to my treehouse. It's built to blend with the forest. These solar panels provide all the power we need. The design lets nature in while keeping us safe. In this serene space, every detail whispers calm. Polished wood and glass reflect the light, inviting peace. Here, the mind finds rest in harmonious design. The quiet of this place lets me see myself more clearly. Every shadow and ray of light tells a story. I feel so connected to everything around me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more incredible places like this.